Hello children, I am Sweta Chaudhary. Children, today I am going to teach you before, after, between. Before, after, between. A number line can help you find a number that is just before, just after or between two numbers. Okay? Now children, look here. B-E-F-O-R-E before. B-E-T-W-E-E-N between. A-F-T-E-R after. Before, between, after. Children, before means the previous number, after means the next number, and between means the middle number of the given two numbers. Okay? Now children, let us see what comes before. What comes before? Before means the previous number. Children, before नंबर का क्या मतलब होता है? तो जिस नंबर का हम बिफोर नंबर पूछ रहे हैं, जस्ट उसका प्रीवियस नंबर या पहले का नंबर ही बिफोर नंबर होता है. ओके? फॉर बिफोर नंबर वी काउंट बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. बिफोर नंबर के लिए हम बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में काउंट करते हैं. For example, 256 comes before 257. 256 comes before 257. 57 के पहले क्या आता है? 256. तो 256 किसका बिफोर नंबर हुआ? 257 का. ओके? 256 comes before 257. Okay? Now children, look here. Can you tell me which number is this? This is 259. Where is 259 in the number line? (259) is here. Okay? What comes before 259? 258 comes before 259. Okay? So write here 258 comes before 259. Okay children? Look here, 262. Okay? Which number is this children? This is 262. Where is 262 in the number line? 262 is here. Okay? What comes before 262? 261 comes before 262. Okay children? 261 comes before 262. Okay? Now children, look here. What comes after? What comes after? After number means the next number. Okay? आफ्टर नंबर का क्या मतलब होता है? तो जिस नंबर का हम आफ्टर नंबर पूछ रहे हैं, जस्ट उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर या बाद का नंबर ही आफ्टर नंबर होता है. ओके? फॉर आफ्टर नंबर वी काउंट फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. आफ्टर नंबर वी काउंट फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. आफ्टर नंबर के लिए हम फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में काउंट करते हैं. ओके? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 261 comes after 262. 262 किसके बाद आता है? 261 के. तो 262 किसका आफ्टर नंबर हुआ? 261 के. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लुक हियर. Which number is this? This is 257. Okay, this is 257. Where is 257 in the number line? 257 is here. Okay, children, what comes after 257? 258 comes after 257. Okay, 258 comes after 257. Okay children, look here. Which number is this? This is 263. Children, where is 263 in the number line? 263 is here. What comes after 263? 264 comes after 263. Okay? 264 comes after 263. Now children, what comes in between? What comes in between? Children, between means the middle number of the given two numbers. Okay? Children, first of all, let me show you some pictures to make the concept of between. Okay? Look here, these are three fruits. These are three fruits. Which fruit is in the middle? Apple is in the middle. So we can say that apple is between mango and banana. Apple mango and banana के बीच में है. ओके, एप्पल मैंगो एंड बनाना के बीच में है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लुक हियर. Look at the number 257 and 259. Okay? Look at this number at the number line. Okay? Which number comes between 257 and 259? Look here. 258 comes between 257 and 259. 258, 257 and 259 के बीच में है. So right here 258. 258 comes between 257 and 259. Okay children, now look here. Which number comes between 263 and 265? Okay, 264 comes between 263 and 265. So right here 264. 264 comes between 263 and 265. 264, 263 और 265 के बीच में है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू.